Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the password on Xiaomi watches. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe up from the watch's home screen to get to the control panel, then tap on the settings cog. Scroll down and tap on password. Then tap Modify Password. Enter your watch's current password. Then enter your desired password and enter it a second time to confirm it. Your watch's password has now been changed. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi watch tips and tricks.